Welcome to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today we're talking about keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts literally save you so much time and they're so easy, so let's just get into it. First, let's create some custom shortcuts and then we'll explore a few built-in ones that you'll use all the time. We'll go to the menu at the top, Final Cut Pro, Command Sets, and then Customize. Here in the command editor, you can actually assign shortcuts to anything. So let's create a shortcut for the blade tool. Search for blade, and once you find it, it's actually Command B, but we just want to make it B. We want to not have to press 2 buttons, we just want to press 1. So I'm just going to drag blade on top of B. So anything you want to assign, all you have to do is drag it to the key you'd like to use, and all you have to do is press save. Think of the 4 to 5 things you do the most in Final Cut Pro and set keyboard shortcuts for those things so it's only 1 click. Now let's test our custom shortcut in the timeline. Press B to activate the blade tool and it should cut your footage in just 1 button. Here are a few common built-in shortcuts that you should know. I'm always using Command Z for undo, Command C for copy, Command V for paste. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. I make tons of videos on Final Cut Pro tricks in under 2 minutes. I'll list the playlist below. I make videos every 2 weeks, so you should subscribe if you want to make editing easier, more aesthetic, save time, and I will see you guys back here in 2 weeks. Bye! Mwah.